Hi, Jeannie here, and today I'm going to talk about the elements of a successful opt-in page that demonstrates what to do when you're trying to distribute a free gift to your target audience. So here is one of my favorite opt-in pages. This happens to be an affiliate link. So if you go to this link that I'll have in the description, you'll be able to get this checklist for a short amount of time. This is a checklist, and as you can see, all of this content is above the fold. So if you think about a newspaper, the headline and the main image is right at the top. For example, Queen Elizabeth II passed away recently, and Charles has become the new king, and so that would be at the very top of the newspaper. So here we have a really nice image that pertains to this free gift. It's at the very top, and we have a very easy to read headline at the top and a call to action button. And it also has a link to the privacy policy, which you will want to do if you have a website. So what you can do is click on this and opt in. So you can just put your first name. I do recommend having your first name on your opt-in pages so that you can personalize your emails to people who get on your list afterwards. So let me just put in my email address. Okay, and then check this box and go to download now. So here is the thank you page. So when you're talking about a launch funnel, then you'll want to have at least two pages that lead into your funnel. So the first page is the opt-in page where you collect the name and email as you saw me put in, and then the second is the thank you page. And so this one, again, the headline is right at top, you have the image right at top, you have a webinar. So what's nice about a thank you page, instead of taking somebody directly to the checklist, which you could, and you can click here to download it. So usually it's going to be a PDF. So you'll see that this one is a really nice length. So it's 15 pages. It's got some information that you can immediately implement in your business. So you don't necessarily want a free gift that's like the first chapter of your book, because that doesn't really give people a complete solution that they can implement. So the best free gifts tend to have a complete solution. They will talk about the authority of the person who is delivering the freebie, and then it'll go into the tips. So here's some of the tips, and you can see the formatting is really nice. We've got some branding, and you can see who the author of this gift is. So you have a video here. This is kind of optional, but sometimes if your audience needs a little bit of extra direction, they can go here. And in this case, there is another call to action on this thank you page. So the thank you page can have multiple purposes. It can deliver the free gift, and it can also point your audience into what they do next. So in this case, they'd sign up for a webinar, and so they could sign up for a webinar, they could join your Facebook group, they could sign up for a consultation. So you have multiple options here. I'm just going to show you, this one is time sensitive, and what's really nice about this is it's got a clock right here. So they call this a countdown timer. But what's nice is that you have multiple options right here too, so it's not overwhelming, and you have multiple places where you can sign up for those webinars. So you can check your schedule. Let's just do this. So I'll put in my name. I don't personally like to get reminders via text, but if you do like getting text reminders, you can always put in your phone number here, your cell phone number. So send me the info, register here. So those boxes that were popping up are called pop-up boxes. And so we've got our registration confirmed. This has a little more instruction so you can watch the video. It has the date and time right here. And this is kind of optional, but it's really nice to have. When you have an add to calendar button, it really helps people who use their online calendars remember your event. So you can pick Google or Apple, depending on how you've generated this calendar. You might have limitations, but I do like to include a link to the calendar, and that way people who maybe missed the email that comes with the confirmation will still be able to add this to their calendars. So let's review a little bit. We've got this checklist. So the first thing, if you don't have a checklist yet or a free gift to distribute, you want to create a professional looking PDF. From there, you'll create a landing page, which is the first page you'll need, then a thank you page, and think about the call to action that you want on your thank you page. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the next text video. And let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to see in a video. Have a great day.